Hi, this is Brianna with journal number 3 for ED 8616. This week's journal focuses on the support of new teachers, especially in the survival phase and the disillusionment phase. After reading the article and reflecting back on my first year, I could definitely see where I hit all of the different stages during that first year. There was definitely that anticipation phase where I was so excited to start the new year, and then the survival and disillusionment where things became overwhelming and all of those things that you don't never realize you need to take care of when you're in your student teaching and your credential year and all the responsibilities that are now on your plate. To support new teachers, especially during the survival phase and the disillusionment phase, I would make sure that I'm meeting with them more often and just checking in on them to see how they're doing and offer support even more than I would already do as them being new teachers. Giving them a chance to even come into my office as an administrator and just let them vent freely without fear of consequences, just kind of letting them get it off their chest because it can be very overwhelming and stressful, especially in the first year. Some specific strategies I would use is also trying to find them a mentor on campus that's outside of their BITSA mentor. Someone who they, especially if it's in their grade level, someone they can go to on a daily basis and just check in, ask for advice in kind of a comforting way, in a welcoming way where they're not being evaluated, they're not being judged, they're not asked to complete any assignments or tasks like in BITSA, but just someone to listen to, someone to ask advice from, and be able to have that connection with someone on campus. To go beyond BITSA, I really feel it's about building a relationship with each teacher, understanding their individual needs and where they need the most support and being able to offer that support, whether it be through a mentorship, whether it be with checking in on them, or getting them more professional development in the areas that they need.